Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to delete Facebook group. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So if you have a Facebook group, whether it's private or public, and you want to completely remove it, Facebook makes it a little tricky. I'm on the group itself here, and you need to be logged into the account that actually controls the group, whether that's your personal profile or a page. The first step is to remove all of the members. First, click on your group name and you will be redirected to your group homepage. Now, once you are here, click on Members below the name of the group. You'll see a list of everyone in the group. Next to each name, click the three dots and a drop-down menu will open up. In this, choose Remove from Group. Confirm the removal and repeat this for all members until only you remain. Once everyone else has been removed, the group will just show you as the only member. At this point, click the three dots again next to your own name and select Leave Group. When you leave as the last member, Facebook will give you the option to delete group. Click that button, confirm, and Facebook will process the deletion. After this, if you try to reload the page, you'll see that the group is no longer available, which confirms it has been permanently deleted. And that's it. So that is how you can delete Facebook group. So that's all for this video. Thanks.